Welcome back to the YOLA tutorials. Today we're going to cover the core skill of your ePortfolio, putting in a signature assignment and reflective writing. Let's say that you are taking an American government, American civilization, or American economic history course that satisfies the American institutions requirement for general education. You've completed your assignment and you're ready to put it in your ePortfolio. Here's what you do. First, notice that if we tried to put all of our assignments and reflective writing into the general education page itself, that page would end up overcrowded and not look very attractive. So what we're going to do is create a hidden page for each general education requirement and point to it from the corresponding heading. So we need to create a hidden page for American institutions. Add a new web page with the New Page button. Well, it's asking me to save this general education page, so I guess I will. Okay, so I've hit the New Page button, and I'm going to call my new page, surprisingly enough, American Institutions. And I'm going to uncheck the Show in Navigation box because I do not want American Institutions to show up in the ePortfolio's navigation ribbon. That's what's called a hidden page. So this is my American Institutions page. See, it says right here that this is the page that I'm on. Notice it does not show up in the ePortfolio navigation because I don't want it to. So now we want to create a heading on our new page called American Institutions. And we're also going to put in the course that we took to satisfy that. So let's do a little formatting here. Maybe we'll underline this, set it off a bit. Okay. Now we want a brief description of the assignment that you did for this course. Let's assume you wrote a research paper on campaign finance for your U.S. government course. So I would drag in another text box here and probably put a space. Okay, there's a very quick description. And I think I'll make it slightly bigger. Put it in normal size there. Okay. Now below the brief description, we're going to drag the File tool and upload your assignment. Here's the File tool. When you let it go, it's going to ask you for a file. And I'm going to upload one from my computer. So it'll give me a place to search on my computer. And I'm just going to grab an article. It's not actually a paper that I've written. It's an article that I sometimes hand out in class, so we'll add that as though it were my paper that I had written. And it will upload that document into my ePortfolio. So there it is. That way, when I send people the URL for my ePortfolio, they can click on that document and see the quality of my work. Now below the assignment, let's drag in another text box to put our reflective writing into. And you can start typing in here for your reflective writing that the instructor has asked you to do for this assignment. I've copied something. Let's see if I can paste it in here. Okay, so I've got some reflective writing from another project. Has nothing to do with this assignment, but let's say that it does. Notice a couple of things. First of all, I have demarcated the reflective writing by making it italicized. I think that's an important thing to do. That sets it apart from the other work on that page. So we have the title of the page, we have the course that you took, we have a quick description of what assignment you did, the assignment itself, and some reflective writing about that assignment. So let's save this page. Now, we want to go back to the general education page. On this page, we want the American Institutions heading to point to that page that we just created. So let's highlight American Institutions and then go up here to this little chain link, which means insert hyperlink. We're going to tell it what page in our ePortfolio to go to. We want it to go to American Institutions, so we'll highlight that. If we wanted it to go to somewhere else, we would highlight that. But we want it to go to American Institutions and hit OK. Now let's save the general education page and let's update the whole site. Okay, it's done. Return to editing. Now let's preview this page. Here's our general education page. Notice that the American Institutions now heading is a hyperlink, and if I click on that hyperlink, it sends me to the American Institutions page, hidden page in my ePortfolio. I'm still in the ePortfolio on the American Institutions page, and my document is here. If I click on this document, I can download the same document that I uploaded before. And so there's my reflective writing. Pretty neat, isn't it? Okay, we'll see you next time.